Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're going to be doing a product review on this 30-second outdoor cleaner. We've not used this before, but it came highly recommended to us. That works really well for cleaning decks and board fences and things of that nature. So our deck's gotten pretty bad looking because we haven't pressure washed it in about 2 years now. So it really needs some cleaning. So this is a product we're going to use. We're going to use our garden sprayer to spray it on. We'll use a hose pipe to wash it off, and we'll show you how it works. Okay, now we did one part of our deck as a test, and it looked like it did really well. We did go over it twice, but now we're going to do another section here, and we're going to show you exactly what we did. We got the solution mixed about 50-50 in our pressure washer, our sprayer, and we're just going to spray the deck really well. We want to make sure everything gets good and wet with the solution. And you may notice that our deck is really black. Where we're at here, we got almost 100% shade all day long. So the trees are over here. We got trees that drop in sap, and it's not getting a lot of sun to get rid of stuff. So our deck is a lot worse probably than most people. Plus, we normally pressure wash it, which does a good job. But in the last year, seems like every time we've had a weekend that we could have pressure washed it, it was raining, because we've had so much rain this year. So we're doing this time to see how well it works, and looks like it's working pretty well. So we just went over it like this, just getting good coverage. Okay, there we go. Now the solution says to leave it on for about 3 minutes, and you can scrub it if you needed to. But we got so much sap on our deck, which is a lot of the black, we are scrubbing it a bit just to help the solution work. Okay, we've sprayed our deck, or a section of it. We scrubbed it a little bit. I think in most cases you wouldn't have to scrub as much as I did, but we've got a lot of this black is, I think I mentioned earlier, is sap from the trees overhead. So most people probably wouldn't have that, but now I'm going to rinse this off. Okay, now you can see that section is not as clean as the first section we did, but we did go over the first section twice. So the second section here, we're going to go over that a second time. Like I said earlier, because of all the pines, the tree sap on our deck, there's a lot of stuff there that needs to be cleaned off. It's not just, the normal gray that you get from aging. So we're going to go over it again, and then we'll show you how it looks when we get through with that. Now here we are, we've done the second section, which is this part over here, a second time, and it looks as good as what we did the first time, which was this over here. Now I'm going to shift my camera a little bit. We've got another third over there lengthways, over this way. You see how black it is as the difference. I'll zoom in a little bit on that some, so you can see how much difference there is. Just from a little bit of spraying this stuff down, I did scrub it a little bit because of all the pine sap that's on there. The tree saps, not pines, it's hardwoods. But this stuff seems to work very well. So let's move on and finish the deck. Now for finishing up our product review of this 30-second outdoor cleaner, I want to take a moment and read the different types of surfaces that it says it'll clean. It says metal, plastic, cloth, painted surfaces, fiberglass, wood, composites, concrete, masonry, tile, and asphalt. Now we haven't tried it on all those products. The only thing we've done is our deck. but we're very impressed with how well it cleaned our deck. I mean, we have pressure washed this deck numerous times in the past, and the pressure washer does a really good job, but it's a lot more work to get it out and get it going. It takes more time. The only thing I noticed that might be an issue, but it's not an issue for me, is the pressure washer does clean in the grooves between the boards a little bit better, but this does seem to do a pretty good job on that even. So all in all, I do recommend this product for cleaning your decks and your wooden fences. Like I said, the other types of surfaces we haven't tried yet, but I suspect it would work well there too. So anyway, that's our product review. And if you would, we'd really appreciate it if you click like on our video and share it with your friends. That really helps us to grow and do more videos like this. And if you subscribe to our channel, it makes it a lot easier for you to find other videos that we've done. We've done a lot of DIY stuff and a lot more to come. So just like to say thank you for visiting and have a great day.